In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your WhatsApp data from your iPhone to Android smartphone. So now we have a very simplest way to transfer all the data from your iPhone to your Android smartphone without having using any laptop or computer or software or something like that. First, you have to know that two WhatsApp. The first WhatsApp business and WhatsApp normal. So we are going to use the WhatsApp normal, not WhatsApp business. If you are going to use WhatsApp business, it doesn't work. If you go to WhatsApp business, you will never see that move chat to Android. But if you enter WhatsApp normal and enter setting, you will see where write WhatsApp or move chat to Android. In this case, you can use this feature, move chat to Android, to transfer all the data from your iPhone to any Android smartphone. Please, if you are new here to my channel, please consider subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it. Thank you. If you are going to transfer your data from iPhone to Android, you have to click move chat to Android, and as you can see here, you are going to click the start button. If you click the start button, so it will start preparing to transfer all the data from your iPhone to your Android smartphone. So if you click start, as you can see, you are going to get your new Android smartphone near to iPhone. So in this case, they will connect and transfer easily. Thank you. See you soon.